Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do this boss braid. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe below for more videos. Bye. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do boss braid with a different color. So how to tack in. So this is how I will normally do. So I've got my cream ready, my comb ready. This is what I prefer to use. My cream, my comb, and the hair is ready. Put this one around. You don't wrap it too much because you don't want to have that knot in. So divide that hair, go inside there. I'm pulling the natural hair a little bit. I'm not making it too tight. I'm just pulling it a little bit so that it's not too loose. So have you seen that the natural hair is showing there? I'll pick a lot from this section and add it to it. So I'll start doing it. I've got my cream here, so a little bit of my cream to hold it and make it more shiny. So I've reached where I will need a little bit of the hair to be added to my extension. So I've done it in a three-way like that. Pick your extension, put them under. This is what I meant by the way I was parting it in this form, so it makes the hair more fuller. So I've got that middle bit to finish it. So when you do that, as you turn around, it makes you feel like you've done a whole lot of hair. It makes the hair looks more fuller at the back. So when you look at it, it's not a lot of hair there. It doesn't look a lot at all, but the section has made it like it's a lot, but it's not a lot. finishing from the back. So when you get that and you see the soap, just pull that natural hair bit in. Then you take some of the hair from there. That's what I've been doing throughout. That's what I've been showing from the beginning. So it's not tied from the root as well. So as you can see, the back is all fuller, but we haven't used much hair. You can see from that it's not as full as we think, but the scalp is covered. So when you look inside, it's not a lot. But when you go this way, because of the way we did it, it looks like it's all been covered. Yeah. So all the back is done now, and we've got the front bit to finish. And the front bit, I'm going to section it in this way. I'm going to go all the straight in that way to finish the front. And the front, we are using a different color. Always don't drag your hair down to do it, or don't pull it too tight. Your hair should always stay in the middle. So when you are running out of hair from the other extension, you just take some from any thicker ones, add it to this bit, and you just go. You take your time and you just go, because it's the same thing. So you look at it, it's the same color, so you look at. At the front bit, as I've already said, I'm going to go in that straight up. When you are doing the hair, stay in the middle. When I say in the middle, don't drag the hair down and start it to put the hair. Don't drag it down. You stay in the middle and make sure that all the hair is plaited in the middle. You've stayed in the middle. One hand, hold it. That's what I did from the beginning. I was teaching you how to do. So you just wrap it just once, and you make that finger there, hold it down. You take the hair, take some, because now you've got just the natural hair there. Take some of the extension, some of this extension, add it to the natural hair. Then you use your hand, go downward. Then you come back down there. Then down. So you go down and down. Have you seen that? It's more softer because I didn't wrap it too much. Down. And when you are running out, have you seen that this one of the hair is getting smaller? So when you are running out, just take a bit of where you see that the hair is a lot and add it to your hair. You go in. So you always use the ones, it's made 3. Always use the side and side to go in. Side go in. Side to go in. Side to go in. Side to go in. And when you read the tip of the hair, you don't want to leave it to make it fluffy, so you just twist it. So finally we've got we've got the last bit to finish. When you finish and the ends are looking like that, you go back to the hair, go back with the water, and you make sure that it's all straight. In the water you go like several times, then you leave it to drip so that it comes out really straight. You take your scissors to trim it. Take your scissors to trim it. And the last bit of it is you go with your towel. I'm not going straight to the scalp. I'm using the towel, the cold bit to hold that bit. And just because I did it very loose, it's not too tight. Even if you do it on your natural hair or anything, it's not too tight. You can style it straight away. And when you finish with your hair, don't try to put them in a bubble. It needs to dry, because when you put them in anything, you make it so curly. So you leave it down to dry. Even if you are going to style it in such a way that the ends will still be, like for instance, when you finish with the hair, you can do a quick style like that. Then the ends will be so dry and it will keep on that straight shape. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have so many training coming up, and if you want something that you want us to train about it, just comment below and we will do that for you. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe below for more videos. Bye.